Going on, guys? Another video, another explore, revisit for me. Maybe want to say 2.5, 3 years on. Cloud House. I can name it because where the hell are you going to see it? That's all I'm going to say. I'm hoping it hasn't changed too much even. It's a long day. Still boarded up. Still the same access point. Land Rover is gone and the tractor's gone, which I'm a bit disappointed about. But beggars can't be choosers. Let's hope the inside is near enough still going to be the same. I've noticed some new gates on the way in, so farmers are obviously using it for the livestock. Let's take a little peek. As you can see, stunning North Wales air, looking the same on the outside. It's always a pleasure to come and see this beauty. Let's get on inside there. Right guys, we are inside. Return visit for me, 2.5, maybe 3 years later. Let's see how much this place has changed. It's in such good condition. I went like artifacts and stuff for here, and yeah, it's looking a bit more trashed already, sadly. I know the boards have been ripped off here numerous times, but looks like they've been taking better precautions now to keep it locked. See the way that strut is running through. All the old jars, etc. Under the stairs. You'd think it'd always be a basement down under the stairs, wouldn't you? This is that famous room with the piano. Oh yeah, it's looking a bit different in here. Cadbury's tin. It's like stepping into a museum every time you come in here. The old Arth, whatever it is. $1902. Amazing. That's a bit worse for wear, aren't they? But you could tell it was a happy home at one point. Look at fire, little pictures. Let's bypass the old car and I'm going to get on it. Second little lounge area. Place has literally been ransacked when I can remember it though. The old letters and stuff. That's cool, the old AA badge. Ford key, approved Dunlop tyre service. That's very cool. Cambridge, England. Imagine tuning into that, listening to some swinging 50s. (1962). I love this house more and more every time I come here. Would have been incredible to see if all the windows were blocked up. Check all that out. Sorry guys, just adjusting my bag. Literally been ransacked. That's cool, it's got to be like 1950s style, ever ready. I know GoPros ain't the best in low lights either, so hopefully you can still see enough. That's a shame. This is a picture of a bedroom. Used to be shoes. Used to be down by here, and the photos used to be on the wall. Right, but there was a photo. That's sad. copper boiler. It's probably worth some money to weigh in. One of my favourite rooms in the house. And there's the shoes. Just look at that. Remains of the gas mask, guys. I don't know if you can remember that back in the day. That used to be here. That's a beautiful piece of furniture. And the clothes still hanging up. No. Sadly only the one now. A little side room. Cordia. That's cool. Power of God throughout faith. That's a shame some of the old school pictures and have gone here, guys. Really is. There you go. That's the inside of car house. Show you a little bit at the barns, and yeah, it's a shame the Land Rover's gone because that used to be pretty awesome in here. Yeah, guys, on we roll. Right, so we're out of the house. Recap: it's a bit sad to see some of the things changed, some of the photos gone. Saddest point for me is seeing where the Land Rover once was. I've got a stunning photo of that there with that backdrop in there, and you know, it was pretty wrecked, so I don't even know why they've pulled it out because it was a bit far gone to salvage, but I don't know, maybe someone thought there was money there to be made. I'm just going to continue this little walk on down. I know it's windy, GoPro's in the wind, not the greatest, do apologise. I'm just going to take it down to the barn areas. It just makes you think. I was thinking this walking up, like how old is that wall? Because back in the days, bricks were just placed on top of each other. With stands, all elements. And yes, any wall experts? There we go. Any wall experts? Tell me how long that wall has been there. Give me a guess. We're almost at the barn area. There's an old tyre. Looks like an old transit van tyre. Something heavy duty. There's puncture on it. So you can see the sheep are down there. We don't want to upset them, so we'll avoid those. The old tin bath trough. I'm not even going to go in there, guys, with the mess there on the floor. See the gates are in there. We'll have a little peek through the window, is it? Storage these days, just parts. It's a bit more collapsed than when I last seen it. And over here we've got an old school horse and cart as well. It's something like you see modern day travellers rolling around on. There's a light, Ford light, and the stingies. That's cool. Yeah, look at that, that's pretty awesome. And there we go. That's a wrap for Cloud House. Hope you've enjoyed it, guys. Like the video, comment anything you want to comment, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, boss out. See you in the next one.